Hey there everyone, Arif here from On Microsoft, and today I'll be unboxing the Surface Earbuds. These were just released on May 12th and they cost $200 at the Microsoft store. So the box is pretty basic. You got a picture of the earbuds on the front and some info on the back about how it works with iOS, Android, and Windows. So I'm lifting the top off and you'll see that you'll be greeted with the earbuds charging case. There's a cute little message on the bottom that says, "Everyone's ear is as unique as a fingerprint." It's quite a nice touch because Microsoft told me at the Surface event that the ear tips on the Surface earbuds can fit 95% of all human ears. So as I lift this up, you'll see that the case is wrapped in plastic. We'll put it to the side for now and come back to it later. We'll now look at the rest of the box. There's a cute little instruction manual here, and then the large and the small replacement ear tips under the leaflet. There's also a USB-C charging cable, but no power brick. We'll also see the usual literature here as well. Going back to the earbuds case, it's quite different. It's not like Apple's AirPods or anything that I've seen recently. It's shaped a bit like a traffic light and it has magnets on the inside that pull the buds in for a charge when you rest it on top. There's also a USB-C port on the back for charging and a pairing button on the very bottom. Overall, it's very clean and very simple and I really like it. The case holds 24 hours of charge, which is enough to recharge the buds 3 times or for 8 hours each, according to Microsoft. So I'll talk about how easy it is to swap out the tips on the Surface earbuds. It's not too complicated and I wanted to put in the small tips because my ears are quite small. You just need to pull the tip off and then push it back in. It snaps right in like a glove and you get a nice little snapping noise to let you know it's done and it's secure. So with the right size in, it's time to pair these buds to my PC. On Windows and Surface PCs, it's real easy to do it with Swift Pair, and once Bluetooth is turned on, you just open the case and look for the flashing pairing lights and you should get a notification pop up in the Action Center, and when you see it you click connect and you're good to go. So I've used these earbuds for a day now and as this little clip shows it, it's quite comfortable. It's real easy to fit in your ears. You just rest it in your ears and then twist it in. It's very comfortable and it doesn't fall out. The large touchpads on the side are also cool because they allow for easy controls for Cortana, voice assistants, and your music. There's even a little triple tap on Android which auto plays a Spotify song for you. The audio quality is also great. It's not noise cancelling of course, but you can still hear a bit of what's happening around you while you're wearing it. That's the point because these are meant to be worn while you're in the office and while you're doing productivity things. But I'll be talking about more of these next week in my full review. So thanks for watching for now.